Children, let us continue our chapter Home Sweet Home. In the previous video, we studied that Janko had gone to meet wise Eva. After reaching there, Eva asked him about the previous problem, and Janko replied that his problem about the vegetable patch was sorted out. And today, by seeing Janko's facial expression, Eva understood that again he was having some or the other problem. Let us continue the chapter. Well, there is, Eva sighed Janko, gazing at the embers in the fire. I'm not a wealthy man, Eva. I've barely enough to feed my family. However, I simply can't go on like this. Then Janko told Eva that he was having some problem. He gazing means staring or looking continuously at something. Embers means the piece of burning coal. He was just looking continuously at the embers in the fire. I'm not a wealthy man, Eva. He said that he is not that wealthy and barely enough to feed my family, and hardly he is able to feed his family. And he said that simply he cannot go on like this. Simply he do not want to lead this kind of life. Go on like what? Asked Eva, settling down. Eva also made her sit close to him, and she said that go on like what? Means whatever condition Janko was having, it was good. My house is too small, cried Janko. The lack of space is driving me mad. The children are noisy. My wife snores at night. When carts ramble past on the road, the crockery rattles. How I long for some space and some peace. Then Janko said that his house was too small and he is having a lack of space for himself. His children were very noisy. All the day they were making lot of noise in the house. And his wife was snoring at night. Actually, he himself was snoring at night, but he blamed his wife. And when carts rumble past on the road, rumble means roll with deep sound. When carts, the vehicles are moving on the road, the crockery rattles. Crockery means the plates, dishes, cups, and other items. Rattles means makes a sharp knocking sound. And how I long for some space and some peace. He wanted to know from Eva that how he can have some space and some peace for himself in the house. Well, I never, exclaimed Eva. You have a lovely house. Eva said, exclaimed. Exclaimed means crying out suddenly in surprise or pain. This time Eva said that she was not agree with him because his house was a lovely house. Yes, agreed Janko. It's nice, but I wish it were bigger and quieter like Mikhail's mansion down the road. Mansion means a large, impressive house. He was agree, Janko was agree that his house is a lovely, sweet house. But still he wanted a nice and bigger house like Mikhail's mansion. But I could never afford a house like his in a million year. And he was knowing, Janko was knowing the reality also that he cannot afford a house like his. Afford means to have enough money to pay for. He was unable to buy such a big house in million years, in number of years, he cannot buy that kind of house. Mikhail's house is large, I must admit, agreed Eva, but you should be happy where you are. Now, Eva gave a good advice to him that he should be happy and satisfied with his own house. What can you do for me, Eva? Asked Django. How can you make my life better? I'm not happy. Then he asked for Eva's help. Django asked for Eva's help. He wanted to get some solution from her, that how he can make his life happy. Eva gazed silently at the fire for a while before turning to face Django. You must do exactly as I say, she said. Do you agree? Now Eva got some idea and she told Django to follow her advice the way she says. Sure, said Django, hope rising in his eyes. Django was ready to follow her advice without question asked Eva. Eva said that you need not ask me any kind of question. Whatever I ask you to do, you should do that. Yes, without question, replied Django. Django agreed that he will do whatever she will ask him to do. Well then, said Eva, if I remember correctly, you keep a cow and several other animals in the small barn at the bottom of your garden. Dear children, barn is a place to keep animals. Then Eva said that Django was keeping some of the animals in his barn. That's right, said Django, looking a little astonished. Django was little astonished. Astonished means surprised. When he heard Eva, he was little surprised. Well, said Eva, I want you to go straight home and move them all into your house. Now Eva gave advice to Django that whatever animals you are having in your barn, take them all into your house. Django stared at her disbelievingly, but he stuttered. Django could not believe on Eva what she was saying to him. He stuttered. Stuttered means to talk with continued repetition of sound. He was not able to express himself. No buts, no nothing, said Eva abruptly. You promised, now go. Now Eva said that you have already promised me that you will not be asking any questions. So go and follow whatever I said. Abruptly means suddenly and unexpectedly. Django rose slowly. He said nothing further, but nodded his head and left the cottage. Now, he did not ask any question further. He just got up from there and he moved towards his house. Monica, Anton, and Iona were most surprised when Django told them on his return to wait a while before dinner and scuttled off to the barn. Now, after reaching home, when he scuttled off to the barn, scuttled means move quickly with short steps. After reaching home, when he moved to the barn, the members of the family, Monica, Anton, and Iona, were very much surprised. They were surprised that what Django was going to do now. They stood and watched aghast as he brought into the little house First the goose, followed by the chickens, then the two goats, and finally the cow. The other members of the family, they all stood and watched, aghast. Aghast means they were filled with horror or shock. They were very much shocked to see his act. He brought all the animals which were kept in the barn into his house. First he brought the goose, then chickens, then goats, and finally he brought the cow into the little house. They have to stay here with us, announced Janko. Eva told me to do this. Now he told everyone that this is what he was doing is asked by Eva. So he said that these animals will be staying in the house with them. The children were amused and excited to be sharing their home with the animals. Amused means finding something funny or extraordinary. So, children were very much excited to share their home with the animals. But Monica thought her husband had left his senses somewhere on his walk. Monica thought that something is wrong with his husband. For some days, the house was in turmoil. At night, Janko's snoring was the least of their problems. Nobody got any sleep because of the constant noise and movement in the house. Dear children, turmoil means great disturbance and confusion. For some days there was lot of disturbance, confusion in the house. At night, Janko's snoring was the least of their problem. Now, in front of these animals, in front of this constant continued noise, Janko's snoring was nothing. One morning, after a particularly noisy and restless night, Janko rubbed his eyes and announced, "I'm going to see Eva again." And in the night, the whole family was too much disturbed. So the next morning, Janko got up and said that he was going to meet wise Eva. At Eva's house, Janko held his head in his hands and wept. After reaching Eva's house, he just put his head, his face into his hands, and he wept. He cried a lot because he was very much disturbed and sad. "Why are you putting me through all this?" cried Janko. Janko asked Eva why she was putting him in this trouble. "The whole family is upset with me. We cannot sleep and we fight all the time. The noise is deafening. Have you ever kept a cow, ducks, and other animals in your room? It's hell, I tell you." Janko said Eva that because of her suggestion, her whole family is very much upset. All are much disturbed. All the time they are fighting with each other. And he asked whether she kept all these animals in her own room. Eva smiled. "Yes, it is hell," she said softly. "Well done, Janko. Now I want you to go straight home and move all the animals back to the barn. No words, just do it." Eva said that she knew that it was hell to keep animals in the house. Now this time again she told him to move all the animals back to the barn. Janko returned to his house and did as he was told. He, Monica, and the children spent the rest of the day cleaning up the mess made by the animals. Mess means dirty or untidy place. As per the suggestion of Eva, he went back home and returned all the animals in the barn. And the whole day, he himself, Monica, and his children were busy in cleaning up the untidy place. After the house was back to normal, Janko stretched out in his armchair. The children played noisily with their toys in one corner. Monica clattered pots and pans in the kitchen. When everything was settled up, Janko was sitting in his armchair. Children were playing with their toys, making lot of noise, and Monica was also busy in the kitchen making lot of sound of the pots and pans. Clattered means continuous rattling or knocking sound. Ah, sighed Janko and thought to himself, how nice it is. The sound of my wife and children in the background. Plenty of room too. Home sweet home. Finally, Janko realized that his home is the best place to live in. Now he liked the sound of his wife and the children playing around him. He, he realized that whatever space he is having, that is sufficient. Thank you.